COCOMI convener Khuraija Mathoba has sent out strong warning to storm the LOK BHAVAN along with internally displaced persons from various relief camps, as authority has failed to facilitate resettlement for IDPs to their homes by December, as announced earlier by the government. Khuraija was speaking on the last day of month-long sit-in at Lambui Khongnangkhong that was carried out to demand resettlement for IDPs. Speaking to media persons, Khuraija Mathoba said about 30 memorandums have been submitted to complete the resettlement process for IDPs. However, authority has failed to take up any positive steps in this regard. Therefore, COCOMI along with IDPs will storm LOK BHAVAN on January 12, demanding an answer on resettlement. Speaking further, Khuraija Mathoba maintained that further silence by governor in this matter will only increase the frustration of people and build more distrust for the authority.
When a Thamachun Statar Padum Laba relays in protest, Thama Parapo the Pakumum the Lak the Bashina Maram Weraga, see you in a Setpada Pakum Piba Hitrava, Manipuri governor, see Lakadriba, January Tangtara, Nitoida, Uzi, Lanjana Leriba, IDP Apunba, Amadi Kokomiga, Pulakanda, Governor Tongjinda, Magi Tong Tinduna, Mongondagi. Direct physical when I quay Pakum Lonanaba, Mana Tony Secarino, Mana Carikalino, Miamnang, Hamachum the big memorandum Pakum the Wimarum Carigino, IDP resettlement Kimagi progress report, status report, Amadi, timeline Yauna, Kamina plant Toroga, Punumak, my Memda, Sushwadan Hanzalangani Ibagi, Hazavasi, Pirakitava Singasa, Masigi Pakum, Lonanava Damota, Governor Tamna Quay, Pakum Lobo Chakani. Zakadu Pongcha Sigi Pandam de, a quay rang Tonanavanate, Governor Mungana Basunate, Ahana Pakum Pirakita by Kogi Cherol Meamasa, Masigi Pakum, Tobu Zakadun, a bunch of others. A quay Miami, Damokta, Ladyba administration ni, government ni Haraga, Miam now, Cherol Taduna Pakum, Hangamatamda, a quayna, Hijabamatamda, Madu Tawa, Sarta Targadi, Manipuri President Rulasi, the leader Hanginaba, a Miami, can be home along Nabagi, Machaka Mashu Rakani.